Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to adjust table word. Open your Word document to see the status of the table. There, select the table and you will go to the menu, Table Layout. Here, click on AutoFit and in the available options choose AutoFit Content. You can see that the table will adjust. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.